What are you going to design today? Well, in this tutorial I will show you how to make long shadow text. All you need is Canva and you can use either the Pro or the free version. It doesn't matter which one. First you go to create a design and I choose a thumbnail size. You always start with a blank canvas and I like to have my rulers visible because they are really helpful when you're designing something. So if you want the rulers too, just press Shift plus R on your keyboard and you will see them too. Then next I go to the app section and in the search bar I type in type extrude. When you see this app, you click it open and then you can type here in your text. And then you can choose a font font and there is a long list available as you can see, and I'm choosing the font Café de Paris 123. You can see now your text in this box here and I don't like this text, so I will change my text to caps lock, and then you can adjust the length and then you can create the long shadow. You can also change the color to different colors as you can see, and when you click upload element, your text will be placed on the canvas. You can resize the text directly on the canvas and you can always even tweak your text further in the toolbar, like changing the angle or selecting a thicker border width. And when you click on upload element, again, your text will update it with the changes. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.